Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 3E Revenue. So basically it is the third chapter of Excel 2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 14 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can do this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 3E Revenue downloaded with this project. So I have already downloaded the worksheet that required. So we go on our step number 2. In this step number 2, it is saying that in cell D5 construct a formula to calculate the percent of total projected revenue from taxes by dividing the projected revenue for next fiscal year to for leases by the total projected revenue for next fiscal year. To use absolute share reference and necessary formatting the result in percent style and center the percentage. Fill the formula down through cell D9. So in this tab in cell D5 we construct a formula to calculate the percent of total projected dividing the projected revenue for the next and by the total projected revenue. So we go on our Excel worksheet in cell D5 we construct a formula projected revenue for next fiscal year divided by total. Use absolute share reference, press enter. So here is the percent of total projected revenue and use absolute share reference, format the result in percent style. So format the result in percent style, this one, and center the percentage. So center the percentage and fill the formula down through cell D9. So fill the formula down through D9. So our step number 2 is completed. So in the step number 3, it is saying that select the non-adjacent range A5 to A9 and C5 to C9 as the data for a pie chart and insert a 3D pie chart. Move the chart to a new worksheet projected revenue chart. So in this tab we select the range A5 to A9 and C5 to C9 and insert a 3D pie chart. So we select first A5 to A9, A5 to A9 and C5 to C9, and in the insert tab here is the 3D pie chart and move chart to a new worksheet. New worksheet is this one. New worksheet, move chart, new worksheet, this one, and click OK. So I insert a 3D pie chart. So our step number 3 is completed. And the step number 4, it is saying that as the text for the chart title element type projected revenue, format the chart title with the word out style in the first row. Click the second style, change the font size to 32. So copy this one and paste here as chart title. Paste here as chart title and select this one and font size to 32. In the home tab here is 32 and in the format tab here is word in the with the word style in the first row. Click second style, first row, click second style. So second style is this one So our step number 4 is completed. And change the font size to 32 and font size to 32. So our step number 4 is completed. So in the step number 5, it is saying that remove the legend chart element and add the data label chart element formatted so that only category name and percentage display presented in the center. Format the data label with the font style of bold and font style of 14. To format the data label, be sure they are selected. So in this tab we remove the legend chart element and add data label. So we open our Excel worksheet, select this one and remove the legend, and in the data label more option, only display category name and percentage value and header file icon. Format the data label with font of bold and font size to 40 and font size to 14. So our step number 5 is completed. So in the step number 6, it is saying that format the data series using a 3D format effect. Change the top level and bottom level to the first level in the first row. Set the top level width to and height to 350 pt and then set the bottom level width and height to 0 pt. Change the material under standard. Click the last material metal. So in this tab we format the data series using the 3D format effect. So we gonna have our Excel worksheet and select the data series, and here is the 3D format. Select this one and top level is to 350. So top level is to 350 pt. Now select this one and 350 pt, and height is also 350 pt, and width and bottom level width and height to remain same 0 0. So it is also saying that change the material under standard. So material is this one. Under standard click the last material. Under standard click the last material. So our step number 6 is completed. So in the step number 7, it is saying that display the series option and then set the angle of the first slice to 115 so that Texas slice is at the top of the pie. So in this tab we display the series option. So we go on our Excel worksheet and display the series option, and angle is to 115. So our step number 7 is completed. So our step number 8 is select the text slice and export slice 10%. Text slice, select the text slice. So text slice is this one. Only select this one and expose it to 10%. So explode into